Hey, good morning, everybody. This is me, Tausif Sheikh. Just now, I completed my 23rd day of the consecutive 5K, and it's an amazing feeling, guys. Okay, guys, almost a year ago, I decided that I will be implementing some great changes into my life, because of which I am going to become massively successful in future. And with that intention, I started experimenting a lot with life. I started implementing, applying a lot with life. And then I realized one important fact, guys. Life is all about caring, sharing, and spreading the message, right? So there was two approaches for me. One is I become very great in my life, and then I start teaching and preaching to other people. But then I thought, okay, it's going to consume a lot of time to do that. So I just changed my model. Okay, while I am growing, I will do it along with the people. So I don't just reach to my greatness alone, but rather I reach along with so many people who wants to succeed in their life. And with this emerge the life transformation. So if you really want to experience your best version, guys, let me tell you, this is the best time, because I personally feel life transformation is going to be the single most biggest revolutionary thing of the 21st century, which can take all of us to the whole new level. So if you want to experience your greatness, if you want to do things differently, join me tomorrow, 4th of October, 9 p.m. on my YouTube. And you know, life is going to be awesome after this. It's 3 months of greatness, and with that, your next remaining 60, 70, 80 years of your life will be defined. It's high time. Let's do it together, my friend. Looking forward for seeing you tomorrow, 4th of October, 9 p.m. on my YouTube channel. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.